Hey guys, it's Art in Hooterville once again, filling in for Jim CANTORE of the Weather Channel. He's such a slacker. I'm covering the Great Hooterville Blizzard of 2011. It started about 3 a.m. last night, and it's about 4:30 now, and it's still coming down pretty good. Last time you saw me, I was in Times Square. Unfortunately, I'm back in Hooterville and don't have a whole lot to show you. All we got up here right now is about trees and snow. There's my driveway. Trees, snow, more trees, more snow. Okay. That's my little A-frame cabin in the back. We got approximately about, I'd say a foot of snow. And let's see, I'm trying to think, where is my, there it is. Okay, there's my Grand Dame buried in the background over my left shoulder, your right shoulder. Yeah, it's supposed to continue right through the night. My plow guy's been through here once. Needs to come through here again. There's my 400-foot driveway. At the end of that's a mailbox and a dirt road out there somewhere. Okay, we'll come back down here. And I was going to go over to the bird feeder, let you check out the chickadees, but it looks like they've retreated for the evening. And, well, I guess I'll just give this one more spin, and then I guess we're out of here. Okay, so this is Art signing off for the Great Hooterville Blizzard of 2010. Notice I didn't say okay. So I guess I'm out of here. Love you. See you in spring. By the way, I guess Puxatawny Phil saw his shadow today. Damn groundhog. Okay, love yous. Over and out. Peace.